Welcome back to Flourish Academy. I hope you enjoyed the first video of the Python programming language. So this is the part 2 of the first video. This promises to be very short, so we want to solve this question, the third part of the question that we're solving in the last video. So it says, like I said, there's something I want to explain for you right here. It's called string format. So it's average the following 3 values and print the answer out as follow. So you need to first create a variable of this value. So that's easy. Just go straight and then create the value 70, 80, and 90. So you're going to say, I'm just going to use x, y, and z. 70, 80, 90. And then we want to calculate the average too. Average. So to calculate the average, we're going to add up the 3 numbers and divide by 3, right? So we're going to say x plus y plus z all divided by 3. So that will store the average. And then now let's first print to see the average value. Okay, average. And when I save them and run it, so you can see the average is 80.05. But now that's not exactly what we want. So what we want is a string format. Okay, now you say you want the output to be the average of 70, 80, and 90 is equals to, average, where XXL is actually calculated average of the 3 number. Okay, so this is how the output look like. So how do we do that? So there's something we call string format. So string format is, we are going to create a literal, we are going to create a string order of each variable inside a string. So this is what it looks like. So instead of saying printing string, you're going to create a string and then you're going to write the format. So the average of, now we want to say the average of 70. So now instead of saying 70, 80, and 90, you use a string order like this. You see, another string order and another string order. Yeah, so you say what the average of 70, 80, and 90 is equals to, sorry, so we use equals to, now another string order. So now this is it. So we're using string order. We have already created a string order, but now we need to declare what value will go inside the string order. The string order. All right. But before you do that, I'm going to advise that you create a variable for your string order so that you don't mess it up. Okay. So let's say, for example, I call the string order output. So output is equals to, and I decide to, take this like this. So I have to declare a string order, a string that contains a string order. And then I want to now use that as my output. So now to use that as an output, you're going to print open bracket, close bracket, and then you say what? Output dot format. Now this is where the string format comes in. Output dot format, then open and close the bracket. Now you put in the value that you want to hold accordingly. Now if you want the first value to be 70, so that means you're going to say x, then separate with comma. If you want the second value to be, y, comma, z, and comma, average. So it's going to take it according to how you position it right there, because you're saying the first one is x, so it's going to take the value of x right there. Second one is y, it's going to take the value of y right The third one is Z. It's going to take the value of Z right here, and then the last one is average. So this is how to solve the second, the last question. So I'm going to save it right now and run the code so you can see what I'm talking about. So can you see now? It says what? The average of 70, 80, and 90 is equals to what? 80.0. So this is the solution, and I want to make it so short like this. So that's a part 2 of the solution of the first drill. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you understand this. Please, if you have any question, feel free to, drop in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help you out with it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share with your friends. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.